Right now, as you sit there, breathing, blinking, existing, you are hurtling through space at 67,000 miles per hour. You didn't choose this. You weren't warned. You simply woke up one day on a spinning rock orbiting a star inside a galaxy so enormous that if you tried to count every star in it, one per second, it would take you 3,000 years. And here's the part that should stop you cold. Our galaxy is just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. 2 trillion. That number doesn't even feel real because our brains were never built to hold it. We evolved to track predators and find food, not to Now let's talk about something that makes stars look ordinary: black holes. A black hole forms when a massive star dies and its core collapses under gravity so extreme that not even light can escape it. Imagine the entire mass of the sun compressed into an object the size of a city. The gravity becomes so intense that it tears the fabric of space-time itself. At the edge of a black hole, called the event horizon, time slows down dramatically. If you could somehow hover just outside one, you would watch the entire future of the universe play out around you in what feels like only hours. And at the center, the singularity, our understanding of physics completely breaks down. We don't know what's there. Our equations stop working. The universe keeps a secret there, and it guards it behind a wall of infinite gravity that nothing, not even information, can escape. And those are just the ordinary black holes. At the center of nearly every large galaxy, including our own Milky Way, sits a supermassive black hole. Ours is called Sagittarius A star, and it has the mass of 4 million suns. 4 million. It sits about 26,000 light years from Earth, quietly anchoring the rotation of hundreds of billions of stars. In 2019, scientists captured the first ever image of a black hole, a glowing ring of superheated gas around a dark circle of pure gravity. It was located 55 million light years away. Now, the question that might keep you up at night: are we alone? The Milky Way contains somewhere between 200 and 400 billion stars, and most of them have planets. Scientists estimate there are 40 billion Earth-like planets in our galaxy alone, sitting in the habitable zones of their stars where liquid water could exist. The math feels almost cruel in its implication. The conditions for life appear to be common, so where is everyone? This is called the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who asked the simple and haunting question: if intelligent life should be everywhere, why haven't we found any trace of it? Some scientists think civilizations inevitably destroy themselves before they can reach us. Others think life is far rarer than we assume. And some believe they're out there. But the universe is so vast that even signals traveling at the speed of light would take